Like even now would be a pretty good pre-market because it shouldn't go to the other high because that should be protected. When it breaks this, this should be protected. Yeah, I might take two cons short here, bro, pretty early. Probably gonna regret this, but anyway. Because the other high should be a protected high, so that we should not come back to that high. Should come down to these, sweep 830 high, low. Here we go, getting displacement now. Should sweep the 830 low before wanting to proceed high. We've got two SMTs at the highs. I'm only risking like 500 bucks, I think. 720? Jesus. What's my risk to reward here? 1600. I think one gone off here. I just don't like how it's not displacing, bro. I might move my stop loss to. Yeah, I kind of want to move my stop loss to break even pretty soon. Morning, brother. I'm in the short. Good. I don't think it's gonna work, eh? It's very lackluster. It's not displacing. ES doesn't want to come down. Hmm. I might have tapped out here. Yeah, I'm gonna get tapped out. It's alright. 720 loss. Nice early in the morning. That's fine. 1L. There is still an SFT here. Bro, my bias for this week is a bit off. Came down, respected that, had an SMT. But yeah, I'm still bearish, bro. Like, I don't. I might take another short. Not now, though. I'm gonna wait a bit. It's a bit more of an entry. Big fair value gap here that I think will get ran through, but. So like be really immature and premature and take a short before. Yeah, I'm gonna take a short, bro. What's my risk looking like though? I don't really want to risk 2 grand today, but I think I might have to. $1,000 on this trade. Fuck that. Fuck it. No fear. I'm in a short. 3 contracts. If we come back, oh, that's a really bad reaction. Just dump, bro. Oh, here we go. This is good. Once we take this little internal low, though, I'm in my stop loss to break even, like literally straight fucking way. This needs to be a quick move. I need this to be quick. Are you in shorts? Hmm. I'm liking this. External SMT at the highs. ES is actually starting to finally fucking displace. There we go. That's a great move. I am going to move my stop loss to above the fair value gap because I don't want to have. I don't want to have fucking $1,000 risk on right now. It's crazy. Unless it's an SMT, then we're in a bit of trouble. Take that fucking low, don't be a dog. It's gonna be that guy, isn't it? I just took my last one con off. I've taken one con off, so I'm all out. But I'm just gonna hold it now. We do have an SMT at that low. I'm gonna hold this to that other low, and then I'm out completely. Nice 71 point move. This is a fucking lovely move, bro. I'm not even sharing my screen. The fuck? No, you are not either. Fuck, sorry, boys. Sorry, Scotty. I don't even think Scotty watches it anyway. I think he just likes to chat and hang. Let's go, NQ. Let's dump. Bump, bump. I'll stop sharing mine, then you should maybe share yours first. Maybe it wigs out. Yeah. We won't get upset, and we'll just vibe, alright? I'm really upset about that first loss. It was really bit of an upsetting one. But maybe like I wasn't even in pretty early. I mean, I just guess it wasn't ready yet. The market wasn't ready to go. That little premature loss is fucking annoying. That's so wait, bro. Literally this exact same entry line price as well. That's really fucking annoying. Both trades, one stopped out, one broke even. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Didn't take it off. Well, there goes the fucking profit for the day. I didn't want to do that. I'm definitely done for the. Yeah, like one con is 290, $600 for a two. Mm, yeah, I don't know. My stop loss is very tight on this. I see this a run up quick. First target's that high. My stop loss is already a break even, bro. I'm not risking any more than already have today. My first target's that high. Yeah, I've taken one contract already hit. I'm just gonna let my last con run, bro, to that external high, and then I'm out. It looks like it wants to run there. Has ES taken it? ES has taken it. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the market estate. Just gonna do a trade recap of the day. What made me take these certain trades. Some errors I also made on the day because I did make some errors. Like this trade. This trade was a beautiful execution, but the target was just incorrect. Like I targeted this high when I should have been targeting up here, and just little simple things, little things that you know should have been executed a lot better. But we'll start in the higher time frame. So going into the morning, open. I'm on the 4 hour time frame, but we've got this gap that happened on the Monday. So this gap created on the Monday, which is a really strong draw to any market because when there's a gap, the market usually likes to fill it. So we had the gap on ES that got touched on the Wednesday, Tuesday actually, and then no, it was Wednesday. Oh, it was Tuesday. Hmm. Anyway, so there wasn't Wednesday SMT here, so there was a midweek reversal profile. So I was expecting us to drop the rest of the week and maybe TJF tomorrow for the Friday. But so far it's played out beautifully. So with that knowledge, Wednesday was yesterday, so I thought we'd come down lower. But coming into the market, look at the 1 hour time frame. There was a nice SMT here for Thursday as well, so I'm looking also for another dump. And I'll just take this off. We'll start open. Um, and yeah, so when I was coming to the market on the 1 hour, I seen this SMT, seeing us taking this high out, we instantly come back lower. Um, so that was definitely I was definitely bearish going into the morning. I didn't expect us to dump down, 50, 67 points on that, and then like on it was 300 points to dump for NQ. So I was just wanted internal, just wanted the little easy things, right? So then I went to the lower time frame. Oh, we'll start on 15, sorry, and we'll go one more. Go 15 minutes. So yeah, there was an SMT here, which was lovely. Really nice morning SMT with these highs. NQ took it. We didn't tap this fair value gap though, but we did hit this inverse. So I was kind of like, yeah, we should dump going into the morning. I didn't take any pre-market trades or anything, but going into open, I waited for what the market wanted to tell me. We come down, but this was lovely. So we came down to this low. We didn't take it. We come back up all the way up to the high. ES actually made equal highs. So then I was pretty keen. I was pretty keen to see what the market wanted to do. ES ended up taking out that high. So again, I was waiting to see, you know, a or PA get booked. So what actually happened was I took a trade here. Now this was a little bit premature. It was a pre-market. No, I was actually at open. Unfortunately, I'm happy with this loss. I think I lost about 720 on this trade. Um, Lost 720, risking 18 points. I had two cons on this one, and then I think I just assumed because this is where the equal highs was formed, this SMT here, and it's not the greatest SMT. Always want like ES or NQ to fully sweep it, get the SMT, displace back in the range. But I was just a bit premature. I was too excited to get into this because I knew we were going to dump. Um, but then it ended up coming back up and ended up creating another real SMT, pure SMT, which was beautiful. Um, and then I actually, funny enough, entered at the exact same price. I didn't mean to, but yeah, so entered there. I had my stop here because I didn't want us to respect this and come back out of it because we didn't break it yet. So I was very, very safe with it. And I did actually enter three contracts here. My first con was here. Looking at that now, probably silly as well, but just low hanging fruit's always beautiful. My external was out this low here, and then I was going to hold it down to this low here, which I think was London. My, no, it was just Asia got swept down here. London's up here. Anyway, so market ended up coming down. We ended up getting an SMT at this high, low here. No, this low down here. So a pretty big SMT. Had my stop loss at break even. I think I ended up taking it off here. So I ended up getting like after the 720, 740 loss. I ended up if I took both my cons off here, I could have been up, let's say, $1,500, which he gives a shit. So once I took this out, I was up like 420 for the day. Took a real weird trade, and even I think I was just too focused on the short term, and I think I took a fucking short like here or some random shit, and yeah, lost about 300 on that, which is extremely stupid. But then I realized going to 1 minute, this was beautifully respected. The first of our gap inverse is still getting respected as well. So I knew that we probably wanted to manipulate this high before going lower. So I slowed down, took a step back. Usually I only take three trades. I don't like to do any more than that because then it just gets a little bit risky. So I waited to see what the market wanted to tell me it wanted to do. So I was watching it. We ended up making a low here on the lower time frame. Really, ES was really close, and you could tell it just really wanted to take it before we dumped. So then we made this SMT here, and I was waiting to see what confluence that I'll get. So then NQ ended up taking it, and because of this move here, this candle right here, um, I was pretty screwed because my entry is 15-second fair value gap getting ran through, retested, blah blah. There's nothing here for me to do. So I actually zoomed in to the 5-second time frame and noticed we had a 5-second breaker, and market came in, respected it so many times, and I said fuck it. Took along here. My stop loss was down here. Um, real questionable exits. I was only entered two. My first target was here. My second one was here. When if I just zoomed back out, you know, this most definitely should have been my target. Like I don't know why. I'm on 15 second. Fuck. Um, this high should have been my target, and I would have probably got about probably 2.5K for today, which is not disappointing. But I should have had my first con here, my second one up here. So missed out on a bit today, but ended up end of the day at about $800. So this ended up playing out beautifully. So literally happened in fucking like 2 minutes, man. So a little bit annoying, but like the video I posted on my channel already, it really shows you fucking breaker blocks work on every time frame. Especially when there's an SMT at the bottom, it fucking adds so much confluence, like there's another 5-second fair value gap. We go up, make a low. Well, I'd count this as one move. Um, low, high, lower low, higher high, retest, off we go. And even like perfect 5-second fair value gap here. Because obviously you're trading off the 5-second breaker, so you want a 5-second entry. But because of that, I was so zoomed in, as you can see. So my target was here when really I should have zoomed out after that and realized I literally have buy side written right there. So today could have been a lot bigger day, but happy with this loss. This loss is amazing. This loss over here was fucking so stupid. I'll get out of and we'll have a look. Um, yeah, this I don't know. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking here. I think I was just I don't know too focused. But yeah, so I ended up taking this contract out here because I thought we were just faking it. Ended up coming back down, and then yeah, I took this con off here. 'Cause I could just see that we are gonna run it before coming back down lower. So, and yeah, this one very questionable. Bit annoyed, you know. On one here, really silly, and then my second one was up here. Had this high when first one should have been here, second one here. So, missed out on an extra bloody like $700. So should have got like 2K for the day. Especially this, probably should have taken two cons off there after the SMT. But you know what? You're not perfect. You're not gonna make every single right decision in the moment. So, but overall, happy for the day. Um, Beautiful little buy model here, and then yeah, after we ended up taking that, we got a beautiful. I don't think there was an SMT. Um, yeah, there was an SMT. SMT here. Got this SMT here. Then we ended up displacing back in the range on the higher time frame. Got a 5-minute change in the state. Then we got a nice 15-minute change in the state as well. 15-minute change in the state, you could probably say was here maybe, but yeah, it was a really nice day today. PA played beautifully, real fluent and clean. So that's it for me today. The live will be first anyway, so you can watch how my live reaction and my commentary. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Hope you had a good day trading, and we'll see you in the next record, and let's fucking get it.